Today we're diving into a topic that I know many of you have asked about, overcoming shyness. We've all been there, that awkward feeling holding us back from really shining. But guess what? Shyness doesn't own us. We're gonna kick it to the curb, one step at a time. Get ready to unlock your inner superstar. Let's get started. First things first, let's acknowledge the elephant in the room, or should I say, the shy unicorn in the room. Shyness is more common than you think. It's okay to be shy. Don't beat yourself up about it. Many people feel the same way, and it's a natural human emotion. Recognizing it is actually step one to conquering it. When you acknowledge your shyness, you take the first step towards managing it. Think of it like this. You wouldn't start a road trip without admitting you need directions, right? Similarly, understanding your shyness helps you navigate through social situations. So let's accept we're working on our confidence GPS and get ready for an epic journey. Imagine your confidence as a muscle that needs regular exercise. The more you practice, the stronger it gets. Start small. Practice speaking up in low-pressure situations. Gradually, you'll find it easier to express yourself in larger groups. Celebrate your small victories. Each step forward is progress. Remember, even the most confident people started somewhere. Equip yourself with tools and techniques. Books, meditation, and even talking to a trusted friend can make a big difference. Embrace the journey. With time, patience, and practice, you'll find your confidence growing. You're not alone in this, and together, we can overcome shyness. Now let's play detective. Why are you feeling shy? Is it the fear of judgment? Been there, felt that? Maybe it's past experiences making you hesitant, or maybe you just haven't found your tribe yet. Whatever the reason, understanding the why is key to unlocking your confidence. Once you know the root, you can start planting seeds of self-love and watch your confidence blossom. Time to level up those social skills. Social interactions can be daunting, but they are essential for personal growth and building meaningful relationships. Think of it like a video game. You gotta start with those beginner levels before you can slay the final boss. Just like in a game, each small step you take helps you gain experience and confidence. Start small. Chat with a family member. Share your thoughts and listen to theirs. This helps you build a foundation of trust and understanding. Give a compliment to a stranger. It could be as simple as appreciating their outfit or their smile. Small gestures can make someone's day and boost your confidence. Or even practice your hello in the mirror. Rehearsing in front of a mirror can help you become more aware of your body language and tone of voice. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become. Join a club or a group where you can practice speaking in front of others. Role-playing different scenarios with friends can also be a fun way to improve. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are your social skills. It takes time, patience, and consistent effort. And neither is a social butterfly. With each interaction, you are transforming into a more confident and socially adept version of yourself. Embrace the journey and celebrate your progress. Let's set some goals, people. It's time to gather your thoughts, focus your energy, and put pen to paper. What do you want to achieve? What dreams do you have? But hold up, we're not talking about climbing Mount Everest on the first try. Unless that's your thing, then you go. For most of us, it's about taking that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Start with small, achievable goals. These are the building blocks of your larger dreams. Each small task you complete brings you one step closer to your ultimate goal. Maybe it's saying hi to someone new every day. A simple greeting can open doors to new opportunities and connections, or maybe it's speaking up in a meeting at work. Sharing your ideas can lead to innovation and progress, both for you and your team. Each small victory is a stepping stone to conquering your shyness. Celebrate these moments, no matter how minor they may seem. They are proof of your growth and determination. You got this. Keep pushing forward, and soon, those small steps will lead to giant leaps. Here's the most important part. Celebrate your progress. Did you say hi to that cute barista? High five. Did you share your awesome idea in a meeting? You deserve a dance party. Every step you take outside your comfort zone is a reason to celebrate. Remember, you're a rock star in the making, and every small win deserves to be acknowledged. Keep shining. Remember, overcoming shyness is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing yourself, and you'll see progress. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Stay awesome.